Are you looking to automate your LeadPages workflows with webhooks? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to set it up, streamline your lead capture process, and maximize your results. But stay tuned till the end, because I'll also reveal some powerful alternatives to LeadPages that could make your life even easier. Let's jump right in. First thing you need to know about automating LeadPages with webhooks is that LeadPages itself doesn't provide a native feature for this. But with a simple workaround, you can connect it to third-party services like Zapier or Integromat. Using webhooks, you can send form submission data to these tools and trigger a range of actions, like sending leads to your CRM or adding them to a marketing automation sequence. Next thing, you'll want to set up a webhook URL. With tools like Zapier, you can create a webhook trigger by selecting LeadPages as your trigger app. Once you set that up, you can grab the unique URL generated by the service and paste it into your LeadPages form under the Thank You page options. The third thing to remember is testing your webhook. It's crucial to make sure the data gets sent properly from LeadPages. Go into your third-party tool, check that your webhook URL is firing correctly, and ensure that the data appears in the tool as expected. If something's off, it's often a case of mismatched fields or improperly configured triggers. The fourth thing is what happens next. Once the data is sent, you can automate further actions. Whether you're adding leads to an email marketing campaign, sending them an automated thank you message, or integrating with a CRM, the possibilities are endless. Webhooks are the perfect way to connect LeadPages with the tools you already use. Now, while LeadPages with webhooks can work for many businesses, it's not perfect. One major downside is the complexity of setting it up. It's not as simple as just clicking a button, and you'll need to integrate multiple tools to make it all work seamlessly. Additionally, for some users, the monthly costs can add up quickly when combining LeadPages with services like Zapier. But don't worry, there are alternatives out there. In fact, if you're looking for a more seamless automation experience without dealing with multiple integrations and extra fees, I'd recommend checking out alternatives like Software A or Software B. These platforms offer better automation capabilities with fewer moving parts and are often more cost-effective in the long run. The fifth thing to note is the importance of trying before you commit. LeadPages and its competitors all offer free trials, so you can explore the features and see which works best for you. The platform that can give you the most bang for your buck, whether it's LeadPages or something else, will depend on your specific needs. As promised, I've linked to an exclusive, extended free trial for Software A in the description below, so you can try it out risk-free. But that's not all. I've also included some amazing alternatives to LeadPages that offer better functionality for automating your lead capture process. Check the description for the best free trials and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Don't forget to test everything thoroughly, and I'll see you in the next video.